Good morning, friends. Today we have to see applications of preformulation in dosage form development. As you all know, for preformulation, why it is necessary. Now we have to see these applications of preformulation in dosage form development, like in solid dosage form development, liquid dosage form development, and parenteral dosage form development. Some revision about preformulation. So preformulation is group of studies that focus on the physiochemical properties of new drug candidate that could affect the drug performance and the development of dosage form. This could provide important information for formulation and design or support the need for molecular modification. Every drug has intrinsic chemical and physical properties which has been considered before development of pharmaceutical formulation. This property provides the framework for drugs combination with pharmaceutical ingredients in the fabrication of dosage form. Objectives of pre-formulation studies to develop elegant, stable, effective, safe dosage form by establishing kinetic rate profile, compatibility with other ingredients, and establish physico-chemical parameter of new drug substances. Among these properties, drug solubility, partition coefficient, dissolution rate, polymorphic forms, and stability plays important role in pre-formulation study. Polymorphism having crystal and amorphous form show different chemical, physical, and therapeutic description of the drug molecule. Hence, the main goal of pre-formulation is to formulate effective and safe and stable dosage form by studying different physico-chemical properties of drug. Now we will see what are the applications of pre-formulation in solid dosage form development. Solid dosage form acquires most of the pharmaceutical market. Most of the companies would like to introduce their new molecule in market as tablet or capsule dosage form for manufacturing, safety, cost, and marketing considering. As a result, almost 70% of drugs administered today are in a solid dosage form. The typical parameter studies for solid dosage form relate to the ability of powder mixture to flow well in manufacturing machines and to the intrinsic characteristics that make it compressible. Pre-formulation influence on type of dosage form, container closure system, selection of excipients, development of analytical method, and toxicological studies. Solid state characterization is an important step which determines the next step in the formulation work of the studied API. Physical properties of the studied API influences on its physical and chemical stability. It influences on the route of administration, delivery system, and drug activity. Some examples of properties studied for solid dosage form development include correlative properties, purity, crystal structure, that is polymorphism, external shapes, that is habit, compression properties, cohesion, powder flow, micromeritics, crystallization, yield strength, and effects of moisture and hygroscopicity, particle size, true bulk and tap density, and surface area. We have already seen these parameters in detail in liquid dosage form development. After solid dosage form, second largest market is of liquid dosage form. Liquid dosage form has certain advantages like easy administration, fast absorption, and variety of dosage forms like syrup, emulsion, suspension, etc. During development of liquid dosage form, formulation of type of dosage form is based on pre-formulation studies. If drug is aqueous soluble, then it can be easily formulated in solution dosage form. If drug is insoluble, then it can be formulated in suspension form. Oily drug can be formulated in emulsion dosage form. Characterization of drug in solid form for particle size, surface area during formulation of liquid dosage form is also important as as it affect various parameters of liquid dosage form. Stability concern is more in liquid dosage form as compared to solid dosage form. As liquid provides media for various degradation processes, hence special concern should be provided over stability in case of liquid dosage form. Selection of container closure system is also important criteria during pre-formulation of liquid dosage form. Some of the examples studied during liquid formulation studies include organoleptic characteristics like taste, viscosity, flowability studies, stability studies, solubility of API, selection of vehicle and proper excipient like antioxidants. Then last, parental dosage form development. Parental words means outside the intestine. These drugs, the drugs which are injected into body, come under parenteral dosage form. Preformulation studies of parenteral dosage form include bulk characterization like particle size, powder flow properties, crystallinity, and polymorphism. Solubility study including pK determination, partition coefficient, stability study, spectroscopic studies, microscopic studies, and chromatographic studies. So here we have ended with chapter preformulation. I hope that everyone has thoroughly understood this concept. If any problems or any queries, feel free to ask queries in comment box. Thank you very much.